Okay, hey, my name is Gary Cleave, and here we go. Two things in this video. Let me give you a quick jam room. There is some butterfly knife flipping in this video. Let me give you a quick jam room update. After the hurricane, we have survived. The flood waters came up to about 1/1000th of an inch below the jam room floor, but did not creep in somehow. And we're actually better than ever now. We reconfigured the jam room. Look at this bass rig too, man. That thing is proud. We're like a real band now with that. Alright, so anyway, everything's good in the jam room. Total miracle. Everybody's very stoked. Okay, so let me show you this trick. This is easily the most underrated butterfly knife trick in the world. And so, see if I can get this thing level. All right, here we go. This is a new camera. I don't even know if this thing is focusing. We'll see. Okay, the trick I'm going to show you, you probably already know the black belt. You don't? All right. Yeah, it's because nobody knows the black belt. It's very underrated. A couple people know it. The mutation that came off that was, I think, the Impossible, which is inverted palm fan, 0G palm fan, whatever. It was called I call it the Impossible. That palm fan. Upside down palm fan. But the coolest variation of all of that is that one right there, the Impossible-er, that sideways palm fan. It is just so sick. I mean, even traditional guys could, throw that in. Okay, so I do have a tutorial video for Impossible-er. Looks just like that. That's how you know a trick is underrated, is when nobody does it, and it's super cool, If you learn that trick right there, you'll be one of very few people in the world that's pulling that off. So, be a hero. All right, y'all stay cool. We'll see you soon.